G'day, welcome back. So we're here with another windscreen video. Yay, love glass repair. So this time you can see I've had to get rid of the Morris Minor and put the 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe down here. I've had to put it undercover because we're missing a windscreen. Now this wasn't me this time. The car had a stone chip a couple of weeks, last week, whenever it was. No big deal, included in our insurance we get free glass cover. It doesn't cost anything to get a new screen. So guy came out to change the screen, he got the old one out and then he said he couldn't put the new one in because it's too rusty. You think, this is a 2014 car in New Zealand where nothing rusts and the windscreen's where the windscreen goes is really rusty. Now yeah, I've heard of that on old cars, like 10-15 years old. You might expect a bit of rust under there where water's kind of sat and whatever, but no, this car's had a dodgy windscreen in the past. They haven't done a good job and now the whole kind of area is quite rusty, which is kind of annoying. Well, very annoying, but not the end of the world. Bought this car from a dealer, paid top money for it, told them about it, they're going to fix it. Really good of them, but yeah, it's gonna feel bad for taking it back there, but you know, I paid top dollar, they can look after the car, so it's going to get fixed. But I thought I'd just show you the state of it and show you kind of the problems you get with monkeys changing windscreens. So get into it and that'll be that. So you can see all this, the sides all pretty good, when we start to get towards the top, getting these big patches of rust and the whole kind of length of the car is rusty. I had a quick look at there, I couldn't decide if that was a rust bubble or not coming through the paint there. Who knows, the body shop will sort that out. But yeah, we go along the car, just rust. Go around the other side out. This side's actually the worst one. But no, you can't put a new screen on there because it's just going to rust through and cause you problems. And as soon as you get rust up in this top lip here, then that's a warrant a fitness fail and you have to have kind of a certified repairer fix it all up. It actually gets a wee bit worse down there. But yeah, kind of common with older cars. The windscreen place that we use, he kind of says whenever they're doing a car that's older than 10 years, they always warn them that there could be some rust, but this car's barely 5 years old. It shouldn't be rusty. But now I've got to drive this 40 k's into town in winter, or autumn, winter, and drop it at the body shop. So if you ever wanted to see a Santa Fe without the bonnet, without the windscreen in, looks like this. When I drove it down here, the engine's just here, so it's kind of makes an interesting noise. It's going to be a long drive, and this car barely fits in my workshop. The Morris Minor is under a tarpaulin out the side there somewhere. Here's a bit of the trim that came off. You can just see it's a big old pile of rust. Can you focus? Somewhere. Big old pile of rust. So yeah, my 5-year-old car's rusty. That's worse shape than the Morris Minor was. But we'll get it fixed. I'll show you the new screen when we get it done in a couple of days, and there you go, something to look out for. Not a problem I thought I'd have on this car, but that's what you get when monkeys change your windscreen. So there you go, comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you for more bodges, fixes, whatever else we get up to. Cheers.